Go.
Okay. All right. The shingle you're getting, we're going to be replacing. Here's this wing case across here. Just the outline of the shingle. Here. To unseal this one. Obviously, there's been some storm damage here. We have a tarp in place. We'll repair this roof and unseal this. That doesn't feel right. Something feels weird right here. To remove the first layer of shingles is here, and the second is here. We're going to start with this first layer. I'm going to find a nail right there on the end where it should be. Pull it out gently as possible. There it is. Now, caught it. Set it here on a little handy dandy workbench. Okay, I see a nail head, but you see, I can see shot through there. Let's see if I can feel it. Gently as possible. Trying to get it pushed through. It's jumped through the hole. It's like out of the. There it went. Oh, fell. I see the nail holes, but I don't see the heads. So I'm going to start on this next layer. I feel like these nails have shot through and I don't want to cause more damage than I have to. Alright, we're going to have to seal that a little bit to get one back there, across there. Now this seal here. Beautiful. On that edge. Jump through, but I can feel that. I'm trying to come back with this. I don't want to cause any more damage. It's jumped out. I know it's not holding it in place. Out. See some of that sticking. Alright. Very good. There. That one's shot in funny. There we go. Alright, very good. There's something right there going on. Cause damage getting that one out. Get that one. There's another one hanging there. Right in there. Very funny. Let me see. That nail was shot through. Grab it. Pull it this way. Get it out. That's strange. I think this one was. I think it's in there all the way. Guess we forgot one right there. Oh yeah, we did. I didn't see that. That blended in a little bit. Alright, should be all of them. I think I counted that. Perfect. See some spots that kind of stuck to the nail heads. See some. After I made them. I have these. Those will be fine. Right there. We're gonna go back with the new shingle. Okay, we had some technical difficulties. Didn't realize we weren't filming. All we've done since is right during while we're conducting the repair test. Okay. We're gonna use a brand new shingle. This is an Owens Corning driftwood architectural shingle. There we go. We'll start out with this first layer, just like tear off. Start in that nail strip. For manufacturer spec, we're allowed to raise the shingle only high enough to install this nail. So we're going to gently install the new nails flush. We're gonna put 6 nails in each row. 3. 4. 5. Last one on the end, about an inch away from the end there. I'm gonna go. All right. I'm gonna go with the next row up. Complete this repair. Starting here. Flush. These magnets are tough if you don't hit them right. Just right. Two. 3. 5. Last but not least, this last one. Oh, mag hammer sticks to you. All right. Here's the shingle. Obviously, we have creasing across here. I'm gonna start marking it. Shingles don't look bad, but they're brittle. What I'm getting. If you need me to grab it from my angle, I can. Yeah, go ahead. Without being zoom out of this repair. Is it creasing?